I couldn't decide if I wanted cheesecake or if I wanted chocolate cake, so it says to make Oreo cheesecake brownies. I started off by melting chocolate and butter, mixed it real well, and added the sugar to it. Once I mixed this up, I added 3 eggs, added salt, vanilla extract, and the rest of the dry ingredients. Once the batter was made, I kept a little on the side and put the rest in the pan, and left that in the fridge to set for about 15 minutes. I have so many reasons to be happy, but for some odd reason, today I wasn't just having a great day. So what better could cheer me up than some brownies? While people might disappoint, food never does. Unless you're eating Taco Bell. I quickly made the cheesecake batter by mixing cream cheese, egg, sugar, and vanilla extract. Don't be stupid like me and not beat the cream cheese before adding everything. Anyways, I pulled the brownies from the fridge and layered it up with some Oreos and then topped it off with the cheesecake batter. I took the remaining brownie batter and added dollops on top to create a swirl effect. My swirls look so ugly, but who cares, cause this thing tasted absolutely delicious. I put it in the oven to bake for about 30 to 45 minutes until the top was golden brown and set it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours or overnight before cutting. And there she is, the best Oreo cheesecake brownies.